I attended last IDEC, before this pandemic, and then we were really missing physical event because everything was online for past 2.5 years almost. For webinars and everything. So it's great to be back to this physical event, and IDEC is always an amazing event. Everybody under one roof, like architects, designers, or even engineers or other consultants. So it's always fun to attend IDEC physically.
I like the RK Lakshman Memorial. It was a very small, cozy project. It was well thought of course, some things needed to be taken care of. That was the project I really liked. Also, the residential project was a good one because that took care of most of the requirements as per probably the real estate requirements. So it was a very practical project, I would say.
IDEC is a wonderfully curated event which has been going on now. I have been a part of this for last 3 years. They are passionate people and they are getting the great minds together to exchange, and the knowledge sharing that happens on this platform is phenomenal. And that's the reason why we all get connected.
It's a lot more niche. The audience is much more interested and engaged. And we just get to meet more people one-on-one as opposed to some other players where it's just too many people and too little time with each one. So the interactions are more meaningful and much more enjoyable, and that's how you should do business.
This is a lovely platform where you get to meet a lot of people and who share their experiences.
You have raised the bar, now continue, go up and go up. And now it's not a half a day presentation or half a day program, it should be full day, and then next will be couple of days.
After a long break, there is probably the first event that I'm attending in the fraternity of construction, architecture and all allied services. And firstly, it's the conversation that we've been missing one-to-one. This forum has offered that kind of a platform. Although we had attended numerous online conferences over last 2 years during pandemic, but having event like this and meeting your peers in person makes a lot of difference, because there are a lot of subjects you can converse and discuss, and also get to know updates about what everybody else is doing.
Very rarely consultants get a platform, and consultants like us in terms of lighting designers are still yet to evolve in the industry. This place allows us to grow. It's a gratitude from my side to IDEC to give this opportunity to all consultants, whether it is structural, whether it is MEP, whether it is PMC, whether it is lighting, whether it is any other consultant. But this is purely a platform which I saw as something which a consultant can really speak up to. And that's what I like the best about it.
We are a 50-year-old company which started the extrusion with the pipes, and now with the profile systems we had expanded our wings to complete pan-India. Right now we have the enough number of fabricators in all the cities and to provide the service. So with the IDEC we thought that now it is time to reach the architects so that we can provide the better product to them.
I think so. This conference has been a great conference, lovely presentations, lot of learning which I'm carrying back. Very interesting projects which were by the keynote speakers which were given, and some interesting and fun-loving 2020 presentations also.
It was indeed a pleasure to be present and witness the event today. In such conferences, in order to break some, total technicality and display altogether such technical things such as offbeat presentations, displayed by Mr. Randive and all, and Mr. Sutaria. So these would probably really help.
IDEC has been very refreshing. Firstly, because it's a physical event which has happened after a long time. Cheers to Ketan Zavadekar and the entire team for putting up such a fantastic event. I would also mention about the 20 by 20. The 3 speakers were fantastic here. A great takeaway from the show. So congratulations to IDAC and the whole team again.
IDEC is a knowledge sharing platform where the professionals from all the segments of the consulting part of construction industry along with vendors come together, and there is not another any single platform where we have this kind of a confluence of various consultants making a presentation, talking about projects. There is a lot of knowledge sharing which happens, there is a lot of learning which happens, and that's the best part about this conference.
In IDEC, we have showcased our decorative range of products. Our company believes in providing solutions to the construction sites, architects and engineers to the typical problems which they face in their construction, design, etc. We met quite a few technocrats and architects in this forum today in Pune, and we are very happy with that.